Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve chapter number 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expression of class 8th. That is practice set 6.1. Question number 1, that is factorize. Okay, the first one is x square plus 9x plus 18. Now here, okay, as you can see, this is trinomial. Now this is the coefficient of middle term which we have to split. Okay, now here what is given? 18 is given. 18. So we have to find the LCM of 18. So I am writing here. One side I am writing here 18. 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So we got this numbers 2 into 3 into 3. So we have to find out that when we do multiplication 18 should come, and when we do addition the sum should come. So when we do addition 9 should come, and when we do multiplication 18 should come. So here you can see 2 3s are 6, 6, okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 3. When we multiply 6 into 3 we will get what? 18. Okay, so here, and when we add, one is multiplication, one is addition. Okay, so when we multiply we should get 18, and when we add we should get 9x. So we will take 6 and 3. These two number we are going to take here. So I am writing x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. Okay, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 6 into 3 means 6 3s are 18. So we got the middle term. Now I am writing so that you should understand how we have to solve this. So I am writing x into x plus 6 into x plus 3 into x plus 18. Okay, now we have to take this number inside the bracket. So how I will take? So one x will come out and one inside the bracket. So what we will get? X square. Here is x square. Okay, now plus 6. We have solved. See this number, this we have solved here. X square plus x into 6 is 6x, again plus what is here? 3. Again what is there? X plus 18 is here. So we will write the same box, x plus 6, the same will come here. See, when we multiply 3 into x we will get 3x. Okay, 3 6 are 18. Have you understood? Now after that we'll write x plus 6, and now answer is x plus 3. This is the answer for question number 1. So we want the number which we multiply to get this and addition to get this. So when we add we should get 10, and when we subtract we should get 9. So that number is 9. For example, 9 ones are 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So I am taking here minus 9, okay, and 1. Minus. Okay, now I am writing x square minus, so in the place of 1 I am only taking x, again minus, then 9x plus 9. Okay, now we are going to write in such way x into x, again minus, again x, minus 9 into x, again minus 1 into 9. Okay, minus plus is minus, so I am writing like that. After that we have to make a bracket, x, another x will come inside, so we'll get x square here. Now minus, as you know that we have taken 1 here, we have not written but we have taken 1, this one here, so it will come 1. So when we multiply x into x we will get x square, and x ones are x, again minus 9, the same bracket will come here, x minus 1. Now see here we have, find here x square, x ones are x, here 9 multiply by x we will get 9x, okay, minus minus will become plus, 9 ones are 9. After that x minus 1, x minus 9 we got. This is answer for question number 2. Question number 3, that is y square plus 24y plus 144. Okay, we can find, this is a big number, we can find LCM also. For example 144, okay, 2 7s are 2s are 2, 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are, then 2 8s are, again 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Now here you can see 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So in such a way we have to take, so that when we add we should get this 24, and when we multiply we should get 144. As I know the square of 12, the square of 12 is 144, and we add 12 plus 12 we will get 24. So I am using this here. Now when we multiply 12 into 12 we will get 144, and when we plus 12 into 12 we will get 24. So I am writing here y square plus 12y plus 12y plus 144. Okay, 9. Now I am writing so that you should understand, y into y plus 12 into y plus 12 into y plus 144. As you can see here all numbers are in positive way. Now all positive signs are here, so I am writing y plus 12. Okay, see y into y is y square plus 12, y into 12 is y, 12y plus again 12 I am taking. Again the same box will repeat here, same bracket will repeat here, not box. So I am writing y plus 12. Now here see, we solve this. Y into y is y square, y into 12 is 12y plus again 12 into y is 12y, 12 to 12 is 144. I am writing here final answer y plus 12 bracket y plus 12 bracket. This is the answer for question number 3. Question number 3. After 3 there is fourth one, that is 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Okay, now there is 10 and here is 5. Okay, as you can see here trinomial is given with common factor, that is 5. So we are writing 5y square plus y minus 2. Now we have taken 5 as a common factor, so when we multiply into y square we will get this. Okay, multiply 5 into y we will get this, and 5 2 is 10. Okay, now I am writing 5y square plus 2. Now here as you can see I have taken 5 as a common factor, but after that 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Okay, when we multiply 5 with this we will get this. So after this 5y square plus 2y will come, because the 2 5 will cancel, this going to be cancel, and only 1 5 remain here. So I am taking plus 2y again minus, the same will continue here, y minus 2. Okay, now here as you can see 5 take inside y, again y I am taking plus 2 bracket, again this is 1y, so I am taking 1 here, I am writing 1 here, then again y plus 2. Now as you can see y into y is y square, y into 2 is 2y minus 1. As I said here, whenever 1x, y or anything is there we can consider as a 1. So 1 I have written here, 1 into y is y, minus plus will become minus, and 1 2 is 2. Now here again 5 inside y plus 2 and y minus 1. This is the answer for question number 4. Okay, as you can see this common 5 got cancelled, 1 5 remain, then we have taken the same as it is, only here 2 minus 1 y minus 2 we have taken here. Again afterwards y into y is y square plus 2. Okay, here y square, and y into 2 is 2y minus 1 we have taken in this place, and 1 into y is 1y, and minus sign is here, so minus plus will become minus. Okay, this is 1 2 is 2. After that we take 5 as a common, then we got y plus 2 in first bracket, and in second bracket we got y minus 1. I hope you understood this. Now question number 5th, that is p square minus 2p minus 3phi. Okay, now here also we have to split the coefficient of middle term, so I am writing here 35. Okay, in such a way so that when we multiply two number we should get 35, and when we add we should get 2. Add or subtract we should get 2. So I am writing here, what is that? That is 35. Taking LCM we will find first 35 is here, so it will not go in 2 or 3. Directly I am taking 5. 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. So 7 into 5 into 7 is 35, or 7 into 5, both are correct. Now when we minus 7 with 5 we will get what? 2. So I am writing here, as you can see minus sign is here, so we will take 7 minus, and here we will take plus. So when minus plus we will get what? Minus, and minus 7, when we minus 7 with 5 we will get what? 2p. So I am writing here p square minus 7p plus 5p, again minus 35. Okay, now to understand you people I am writing p into p minus 7 into p plus 5 into p minus 35. Now I am writing what is, put 1 inside bracket p minus 7. Okay, minus 7 into p. We have find out this, see 2p, here 7. When we take p into p we will get p square minus p into 7 is 7p, again plus what is next, that is 5. Then 5, again the same bracket I will going to take here. You will understand now why I have taken like this. Now you can see that p we have taken minus 7, then after that plus this 5, and this p inside the bracket, then minus 7 I have taken because 5 7s is what? 35. If you see here this p square. Okay, now p into 7 is 7p plus, then again 5 into p is 5p, 5 7s are 35. Okay, now I am writing p minus 7 and p plus 5. This is the answer for question number 5. Now I am going to solve sixth one, that is p square minus 7p minus 44. Here 44 is given. Again we will try to find what is the LCM of 44. 2 2s are 2 2s are 2, 11s are 11, 1s are. So we got 11 into 2 into 2. So as you know that we have to take in such a way that when we multiply we should get this number, and we have to split the middle term in such a way that when we multiply we should get this number, and when we add or subtract we should get this number. So I am writing now, that is, so I am writing 11 into 4. So 44 minus 11 plus 4 we will take here. I am writing p square minus 11p plus 4p minus 44. Again we will split this, we will expand in form, so that p into p minus 11 into p plus 4 into p minus 44. Okay, now I am taking one p and I am putting bracket the another p inside. So p is what? P square, again minus is here, so I am taking 11. Okay, now here as you can see, p into p is p square, again p into 11 is 11p. Now again plus sign I am writing here. Now 4, again the same bracket will come, p minus 11. As you can see, 4 into p is 4p, 4 into 11 is 44. So this equation is right. Now I am moving to next one, that is p minus 11 and p plus 4. This is the answer for question number 6.